Today we're doing Schism by Tool. This song is really fun to play. The main riff is cool, the time signature is fun, and the ways in which it subtly changes rhythmically and harmonically keep things really interesting. So we're starting with this main riff, which is in alternating bars of 5/8 and 7/8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in my left hand, I'm making this 1-5-1 shape, D, A, D. In my right hand, I'm doing F, E, F, E, G. And in between those notes, I'm using the lowest D of the riff in my left hand as kind of a pedal. Before the vocals come in, we've got this little guitar harmony thing going on. B flat A, B flat A, C, which you can add right on top of the riff that we just learned. And then when the vocals come in, we actually alternate between these top three notes and these top three notes. So it goes from F, E, F, E, G to E, D, F every other time. And then at a certain point, another guitar harmony comes in, C, B, C, B, D, which is quite interesting. The thing that's interesting about that is that the first guitar harmony emphasized this B flat, putting the whole riff in D natural minor. The second guitar harmony comes in and is emphasizing this B, putting the whole riff in D Dorian. So we've got a subtle tonal shift happening there. That top harmony actually stays constant while the bottom one is shifting. So while the bottom one is going between, the top one is just always staying there. So that's going to sound like this. Next, we make our way into the chorus. Now this is where we have our first time signature change. We're going from alternating bars of 5/8 and 7/8 to alternating bars of 6/8 and 7/8. And we're changing keys to A. So our left-hand shape is now going to be A, E, A, and our right-hand notes are C, B, C, B, D. And our time signature is going to be this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So pretty interesting stuff all around. So that's going to be it for Schism by Tool. Definitely practice this to a metronome, definitely practice the parts slow, and I will see you in the next video.